Hi everyone, this is Jyotsna here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will share with you how I make this beautiful bundle dyed gift wraps using things that you can easily find in your kitchen cabinet. You don't have to go out of your way to buy anything for this project. And the best part is you can repurpose your old fabrics and even involve your kids to join in this project and have fun together. So let's dive into the tutorial. So in this project you will need pre-washed fabrics, and depending on the kind of fabric you use, you get different dyeing results. So I have silk, which is a natural protein fiber, and I also am using today muslin cloth, which is a natural cellulose fiber. Now for dyeing, you could use anything that you find in your kitchen, spices, tea, coffee, whatever you feel like. So I'm using alder cones today. I also have yellow onion skins. You could even use red onion skins. Dried marigold flowers, which gives beautiful yellow color. Rose petals and lavender. I also have hibiscus flowers, which is a tea, and turmeric root. So additional equipment that you require in this project is a pot that is designated specifically for dyeing, a pair of tongs, and you will also need either a cheesecloth or a steamer, and that's about it. So before we begin, make sure that you pre-wash your fabric, because that kind of removes all the waxes and oils that are part of the weaving process. So I have got this silk fabric I'm beginning with. I have just wetted it. I'm not using any mordant or any modifier, because this is just to have a fun experiment and to create some gift wrap. Okay, thank you. Okay, so I'm going to fold it in this way, so there is no, you can fold it in different ways that you want to. In this one I'm doing like this, and I'm going to fold it very tightly, like so. So it's like a really soft fabric, and it's really thin, so it just folds out like this. So I hope you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Bundle dyeing is, one of the easiest techniques, and it produces a unique pattern every time you do it. So there is no right or wrong way of doing it. It's a great way to experiment with natural materials that you can easily find in your kitchen and your neighborhood. If you like this video, make sure you click on that like button and leave your comments below if you have any questions regarding the process of natural dyeing. Until then, all I can say is just experiment, be curious, and have fun creating. Until then, take care, stay safe, bye-bye.